Hi everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today I'm going to be taking you shopping with me. Now, recently I wanted to add a few items to my wardrobe, but I wanted them to be from sustainable brands. And if you've ever shopped for sustainable clothing, you'll probably know that it can be very, very expensive, and the cheap stuff isn't always of the greatest quality. So enter a styling service called FASHOM. This is the box right here, and FASHOM works similarly to your other styling services that you might be familiar with, like Stitch Fix, Transcend. But whereas those are monthly subscriptions, FASHOM, you just contact them when you want to buy something, and you go through the process, and then they send you what it is that you want to see. So I'm going to do an unboxing of an order that I placed with them. So FASHOM, as I said, it's a styling service, and when you decide you want to, add something to your wardrobe, you go on the website. Well, it's easy. Actually, let me go back. To sign up, you just go on their website and you go through a questionnaire about your style, the things that you like and don't like, and then they match you with a stylist. And so when I went through the process, I asked them specifically for sustainable brands. That was what I was interested in the most. And that's one of the things that makes FASHOM different from the other subscription services, is that they offer brands that are eco-friendly and sustainable, as well as brands that aren't. But at least you have that choice. So they have a styling fee for your session. It's $15, and that is applied to any outfits that you might want to keep. They also will waive that styling fee for your first styling session. So your first styling session is free. And then, if it works just like any. You keep what if you like things and they work out, you keep them. The more that you keep, the bigger discount you get. For example, if you decide you want to keep 3 items, I believe it's 20. I wrote down here on my notes that it's 25%, but I think it's 20. I'll double check it on the website. But it is a percentage off, and then if you keep the whole box, you get 30% off, and they make a contribution to their favorite charity, which happens to be Second Chance Ranch in New York City. So I hope I made that clear, that yes, there is a $15 styling fee, but it gets applied to anything that you purchase out of the box. So here's the box. The other thing that I like about this is that you can do this in the comfort of your own home, okay? You don't have to. As you can see, I'm really comfortable. And today is December 22nd, and the last place that I want to be today is at a mall. And so for those of you that are out there in the malls today, and when this video goes up, bless you. Okay, now, it says, "Hello, beautiful," on the envelope. And "thank you" on the back, and then it has your invoice. Let me just read you they put a note on the invoice. It says, "Hi Cheryl, it's FASHOM box time. Inside you'll find fresh fun pieces to make getting dressed for cold winter days easy and hopefully enjoyable. I feel like the box is very California cool." That's me, California cool. Okay, I hope you chose the Les Amis joggers and the RD style cardigan to try out. Please remember that some brand styles run bigger, smaller, so please give everything a try, regardless of the tag. If you need to exchange a size, then they go into that. Okay, and this is from my stylist. It says, "I can't wait to see which pieces you love and watch your review. Very happy holidays to you. Cheers, Elena." Here's a happy holidays card and a Better As I Am card that also tells you what to do next now that you have your box, as far as how you can return and exchange and things like that. All right. Okay. This is from, the first item is This was actually something that I did not pick. The item that I picked went out of stock. So this is a substitute item. It's a t-shirt. The brand is called B Stage, and it's very flowy and very soft, and it's a nice soft pink. This item retails for, you know what, I'm going to put the prices so I don't have to keep looking back down. I'm just going to go ahead and list the prices up here or over here somewhere. But yeah, so first item, that's pretty. Next up from, I don't need my glasses for this, Chris and Carol. This is another, this is more of a drapey sort of a tent. There, this is more of a drapey sort of a tent. You know, it's got like a very flowy bottom to it. This is by Chris and Carol. And again, it's very soft and drapey, and the quality so far, spot on. Okay, so next up is an item that I was really excited about getting. These are, oh no, is this a sweater? No, these are the, okay, so these are pants. These are joggers, and the material is this soft, it's warm. I don't have anything like this that I can wear like now as it's getting a little bit cooler, and it feels almost like a sweater material. The brand here again is Dreamers. So yes, very excited about those. Next up is a sweater, and this is just a light gray cardigan, which I have a really big cardigan that swallows me up and makes me look like I weigh 10 pounds more than I actually do. So I really wanted another gray cardigan that was more, you know, that I could wear if I'm doing going a little bit dressier or not. And then the last item of the 5 is a dress. This is from Crescent. And this is great. This is just a flowy, what is the word for the loose? This will be great. So, you know, this is something again that I could wear at this time of year over dark stockings and boots or not. So, and again, this is almost like a rayon material. It's really like flowy, and I have a feeling I'm going to be keeping more from this box than I thought I would be. But let's try everything on, and then I'll come back and talk to you more about the process that I went through to make the selection and what I think of everything once we've got it on. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I have a mirror right next to the camera here, so I will be looking over there a little bit. But yeah, so these are the joggers. They have pockets. They're really, really soft and comfortable. This material feels like the softest sweater you ever wanted to wear, but it's lightweight and breathable too. And it has in the here, let me see if I can show you up close. No, I'll show you when I'm sitting down. In the weave, it has in the weave pattern a little bit of black in it. So these are, I'm definitely keeping these. Yeah, I love these. And then the shirt, I tucked it in because it's the shirt I tucked in because it's a little bit too, you know, like I'm not really crazy about this, first of all, and it's just a little too loose. I'll show you what I mean. I'll pull it out, and you can see that it just kind of swallows me up a little bit. So pretty color, but I'm not sure about the shirt. I think I may pass on that. I mean, I don't know. Do you guys, who likes this? Because I'm not sure that this is exactly, I mean, I know, I love the idea of the shoulder being out, but I don't know. Something about that is different. Okay. Okay, so this is the swing sort of, that's fun. This is actually navy blue. I thought it was black when I first looked at it, but it's navy blue. And, you know, I don't know. Again, it's a lot of look, I'll put it that way. But, Yeah, so you can see in the back that it just has this nice sort of trapeze, is that what that's called? Shape to it, where or trapezoid, something like that, where it's, you know, swings and flows down at the bottom. Yeah, I don't know. I have a navy, well, it's 3/4. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about this one. On to the next. Oh, I love this. This is rayon. The fabric here feels like rayon viscose, and it has a wonderful hand and a wonderful weight to it. I mean, can't you just see this over like black tights in either flats or you know, boots? It's got pockets, it's got movement. It is exactly what I was looking for. When I saw it, this is one of those things that I hoped. The only thing that's a little odd is that it is, he said it's a little bit higher in the front than it is in the back. Is it me, or is that the way it's supposed to be? I will double check that. I think that might be the way it's supposed to be, because it does, again, have that trapezoid shape. But yes, I love this. Oh, let's try the sweater on real quick. Just throw that on over it. I already tried it on, and I like it. But I did want you to see it. There we go. Let's see. So yeah, this would, you know, obviously not with this dress because you've got too much going on here on the sleeves, but it, you know, by itself, you can see it dips down a little bit in the front. You can either, you know, like pin it closed or wear it over like a camisole or something like that. You know, but yeah, this is just it's just a really nice sweater, and again, really, really soft, and has a great hand to it. Okay, I'll be back, and we'll talk about what we're keeping and what we're not. After trying everything on, I pretty much decided I know I'm going to keep these pants, and I said I'd show you a close-up of the material, so here it is. So you can see the weave there. I told them when I filled out my questionnaire that I wanted soft, flowy, things that would be appropriate for this camera, and I would say that they definitely, things that would be appropriate for this climate. And I think that they definitely delivered on that. Everything has a beautiful hand, and these are a definite keeper. Keeping the pants, definitely keeping the dress, and maybe the sweater. I'm not sure about that sweater. The two tops are similar to tops that I already have. And in the interest of full disclosure, I did receive a store credit in exchange for doing this video. So, you know, but I'm not going to keep something just because I know that I can get, you know, that it comes free with the credit. I'm only keeping what I really like, and I'm only giving you just the details of what I'm seeing. I want to look closely here. Oh, I know. I want to check out the seams of the dress. Okay, so yeah, they are more in the front. And yeah, I was just looking closer at the dress, and it does look like it is designed to be a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. Not unlike, you know, like the t-shirt that I'm wearing, for example, it has the similar sort of higher in the front. This is the mullet t-shirt, the mullet tee, where it's higher in the front, longer in the back. The sweater, the knit on this sweater is really, really good. I'm just looking at the stitching here, both inside and out. And the quality is very substantial. So I may keep the sweater too. I may. But the two shirts are, yeah, I'm not gonna, I mean, I'm wearing a blue shirt, not unlike this one. And I definitely have shirts this color in my wardrobe, so I don't need more of those. Hi guys, I was just editing the video when I realized that I didn't give you the rundown of the prices, so let me do that really quickly. The B-Stage shoulder with crisscross top, that's the pink top, was $38. The Dreamers jogger pants were $46. The Dreamers cardigan, that gray open cardigan, was $39. The trapeze top, which was the navy blue top, was $38. And the crescent cake floral dress was $36. That subtotal is $197. And if you got the whole box with your 30% off discount, your total would be reduced to $137.90, which for the quality of these items is excellent. That's an excellent price if you would decide to get the whole box. So when it comes to returning, they send you a prepaid mailer. Shipping is free both ways. If you need an exchange, you can email them at, like if one size is if you like something but it's not exactly the right size, you can just let them know that you want to exchange for a different size or a different color. And yes, 3 or 4 items is 25% off, and if you purchase all 5, you receive 30% off, and they donate $1 to Second Chance Ranch Rescue Dogs NYC for every box that is sold. So that's the deal with FASHOM. Let me know what you think. I mean, I think that it's definitely something that I would do like seasonally, because I don't go through clothes that quickly, although I do have a big bag that's got to go to the Goodwill because I can't wear them anymore. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. And if you want to see more like this, let me know. I mean, we don't do a lot of fashion here, but I couldn't pass up a chance to really get my hands on some sustainably designed and made goods. So there you go. Okay, everybody, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your thoughts. And if you are getting ready for the holidays, if you're almost ready, congrats, and I'm wishing you a wonderful holiday. Of course, if you have subscribed, thank you very much. And if you haven't, I would love it if you did. Just don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. All right, until I see you in that video, I'm wishing you a very merry holiday season. I'm wishing you blessings and good health in the new year. And am I going to see? Oh, yeah, I will see you again before the new year. So until I see you in that video, everyone take good care of yourselves. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Happy holidays. And I love you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And this is what it's like hanging out at my house on a Sunday. Ah!